Alright, here's the Ford. It's a little stick shift. We're going to go down the road. I've already hit 90 in it. Hold on, I'll show you the little bitty ass road I'm doing this on.
There's the broken down Camaro.
Hey, all it needs is a fuel pump.
Of course, the Dodge. POS.
That thing is a fucking piece of shit. Yes, I'm gonna drive slow the first time so they can get the fucking road. I've hit 90. That's pushing it though. It's a 2.3 fuel injection. I wish it was carbureted. Zachary's my cameraman.
Yes, sir.
I hope fucking Holly's camera gets this good. This thing can take a corner really well. Does it look like it's getting you good on the camera?
A little bit.
Big ass hill. God damn. Alright, we're gonna see if we can clock 90 this time, people.
What's that, fourth gear?
Third.
Aw, damn, hang on to your balls. Woo, shit, we're moving on along. Oh, brakes.
Keep recording, keep recording. We can do better than that.
Alright, stop. We only got like, never mind, we still got time. We got 19 hours of recording time.
Damn, 19 hours?
I'll take that back, 19 minutes.
I don't want to raise too much hill on the way there. The neighbors
That's
might,
the Chickmonk's house.
neighbors might call along. We went and raised hell downtown last night. Just I don't want to get my fucking car impounded. See if we can do better this time. Huh? No. This turn right here is kind of dangerous in this truck.
Woo, shit. Woo! A little bit chirp.
That's raising hell, folks.